y'all, and welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I am doing a redesign or an infill, and these nails are going to be mostly all double dip products. I'm going to do a pink nail and with some glitter, and then I'm going to show you guys how I use transfer foils. So I already used this beautiful pink glitter here. It's called Little by Little on the ring finger. And then I'm going with this other color here. I will link all the colors for you guys down below. But this is also another color by Double Dip. I am using s&mnailcandi Irresistible Sweets monomer. And I'm using a Cad's brush number 16 that I got off of Amazon. So you guys can see, sorry I'm out of frame here, but just how pigmented these double dip powders are. Super pigmented. I mean, I had green on before and this went right over the green and covered up everything. So I'm super impressed with that. It's a beautiful pink color. These nails are all going to be pink. And then we are going to do a transfer foil design. So they're going to be floral nails. And I am just gently patting that powder down the nail. For the pinky finger, I'm using this beautiful nude color. It is a darker nude, absolutely beautiful. And I'm applying this all over the pinky finger. And you guys can see how pigmented these powders are. I picked these out myself and I really love them. So I'm going in with this pink color here. Waiting for all of the liquid to go into that powder. That's why I hold my brush upside down there, and then I'm just slowly releasing it from the brush there, and then I'm gonna pat it on the nail, and you guys can see how it covers up everything. Super pigmented. So you guys, because I applied these powders rather thick to the nail, I built them up so I did not clear cap and nothing came off when I was finished filing. So this is how they look after application, and I will get back to you guys at our next step. Now you guys, I'm measuring out some striping tape. I love the way striping tape looks on the nail, but it is such a pain for me. My hands are shaky, it's super finicky, and I can never get it out straight. So for those of you who can, wonderful for you. I try really hard, but these tapes are just so difficult. And my tip here, what I like to do, which I didn't do here, if they're not very sticky, as you can see here, I like to put a base coat underneath, and that kind of helps it stick better to the nail. But I am going to put 2 lines here of the gold, and it's super pretty on the pointer finger. So now you guys, I'm going to show you guys how I do these water decals. Super easy. These are really pretty. I don't remember where I got them. They're little flowers and leaves. So basically, you guys saw there the floral. Sorry, I'm out of frame here, but what I'm doing is cutting out the little flowers, and then once you cut it out close to the shape, there's like a little piece of plastic. So just peel that off. Then you stick it inside a little bit of water. You guys can see that here in the Dappen dish, and I don't know, probably like 10 to 30 seconds. stick it in some water, and then pick it up with some tweezers, and it slides right off the white paper. Excuse me. So it slides right off that white paper, the design. So it's super, super easy to do. You just need some patience. Another tip I like to do here, which has worked for me, sometimes when I put on the water decals, they tend to like slide around the nails. So I like to go in with an uncured layer of base coat and place that water decal in that wet base coat and then cure it. I don't know if you guys have done this before. It just worked for me. But you guys, these nails are turning out so cute. I'm super excited. These are like right up my alley. They have glitter, they're pink, they're floral, super, super pretty, elegant nails. So I absolutely love, 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 love these. So I'm just taking the flower out of the water, and then I'm just going to peel it literally just slides off that white backing, and then I put it into the wet base coat of the finger, and then I cure that for 60 seconds. And I am so sorry, you guys. After this, I got this flower on, I added some more flowers on the nails, the water transfer decals, but my phone died. So the video just cuts off. But I did take some more leaves, and I just cut out around the plastic, peeled off the top layer of plastic, stuck it in the water, put on the base coat, put on the flower, and then cure it. And then I did add some really, really pretty crystals that I got from AliExpress on the nails. I show that one in the AliExpress haul if you guys are interested. So I'm so sorry for that, but I am going to show you guys some photos that I took outside with the final result. Thanks, you guys. Subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.